Ready? You can do it. I'll give you a little swing. Woo! Do it, Allie. Go. Good job. All you have to do is jump. It's 2 feet up. You're ornery from the shell. Okay then.
Put me where Allie is.
Oh. Right here.
Here.
That's not the right one, but okay. Go ahead, Annie. You can do it. Swing. No, you could do it. Just grab onto the next one. There you go. Grab your hand to the... Go ahead. You got it. You got it. Now? Oh, I don't know. I would go down here. Down this way. Might be a little easier. Go ahead, Annie. You got it. You got it. One more. Do like Allie. You did it. Good job. Hands up. Go ahead, monkey. What ice cream? It's not summer. There's no ice cream here. Annie, go. Because your hands will get tired. Whoa! Good job. All right.
Get one harder.
Okay, get on it. Go as far as you can. Don't look back. Look forward. Look at me. Good job. Try to get to mommy. Try to get to mommy. Good. You did it all. Woo! And you landed on 2 feet. Go ahead, Alina. One more. Good job. Gotcha. Crazy lady. You know, there's only 2 sets of peepers here today. I'll bring this away. Okay, wait, she's coming down this way, Allie. Watch out. Hey, she's gonna hurt you. What happened? She knows the art of swinging.
I want to do that.
Can you jump down? Good job. Okay. Which one you want to go to? The same one? This one? Okay. I know you can do it. Watch out for the little girl. You could do one. You can do 2. No. You could jump down, Allie. If you can jump, you can. Watch your face, Allie. Huh? Good girl. Good job.
I'm gonna go further.
Don't let them know. Don't let them see. Yep. No, one more extra. Go ahead. See if you can do it. And now they know. Whoa! Good job. 75. Further.
No, why is in the moon tonight? Oh, okay, guys.
Wait, let's see how far she can go. Let go of my arm. Let go of me. Oh my goodness. Dad's not gonna believe this. I can't believe it. You did it. Awesome. 75. Oh, now you want to do it? I don't know how, Allie. Okay.
No, no.
How about this one?
No, no.
This one.
Not here.
Okay.
Yeah. Mama, I'm a big kid like Kayla. Right here.
You're a big kid like Kayla. Oh. There you go.
Help me out now.
That's where you're supposed to do it from. That's where you were doing it from. No?
I cannot let go.
There she goes, folks. It looks fake.
Watch out.
Good job.
You didn't believe
No, I couldn't believe it. You ready, Allie?
my
Okay.
life.
Go ahead, Allie. What happened? No? You don't wanna? You don't wanna? You landed. See? Good job. You did it. Alright. One more time for you and that's it.
No.
You're supposed to take it easy.
One at a time.
Ugh. I cannot believe. I was a monkey, but I was never good at the monkey bars. Good job.
I never good at a monkey bar.
No, I was never good at the monkey bars.
Tired.
It always hurt my hands.
One try, one more.
One more. Good job.
I want to do it now.
Shelly.
Excuse me.
Good job. Sam. Can you jump? Jump down. Jump down. You can do it. You can do it. See? Told you.